Oh, hello everyone. Okay, I'm going to talk about prime numbers. So I'm keeping this quite simple. So this is like maths made simple. So this little discussion is part of GCSE level 1 and 2, and also functional skills. Functional skills strictly don't need to know about prime numbers, but I would say if you're ever going to progress any further with this, it is assumed you know about prime numbers. So I'm not going to make too much of it, just going to be a very brief introduction to what prime numbers are. Um, okay, I think you know what prime numbers are. They are usually defined as being any number which only has two factors, the one and the number itself. So the answer, like for example, we might say 3. So what are the factors of 3? The factors are 1 and 3. And that's okay as a definition. And I'm going to give you another one that I'd like you to consider. All right. So here's the multiplication table that you're supposed to know and love. And you're supposed to be able to use this to find out the multiplication of any two numbers. This table only goes up to 9 times 9, but you don't need anything more than this, because anything beyond this you can just work out using long multiplication methods. Now, but the reason that I'm not going to talk about multiplication in this particular lesson, or this particular video, because I'm talking about prime numbers. And what I'd ask you to notice is that when you look at this table, is that there are some numbers that seem to be missing. Yeah. So you've got the numbers 2 in the rows and columns. You've got all of the integers. Technically, it goes 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. It's all the numbers are there. But in the body of the table, you notice some numbers are missing. It might be understandable that 2 and 3 are missing because our table starts at 4. And the reason our table starts at 4 is to remove duplications, because if I put 1 in here, then I'm going to get a whole row of duplicated numbers in each row and column. And if I put 0 in here, then I'm going to get a whole column and row of zeros, which is not helping anyone. So it might be understandable that 2 and 3 are missing, but where's 5? Where's 7? And then actually where's 11? And then where's 13? Yeah, and you get some numbers that just seem to be missing. And why are these numbers missing? Well, we know why they're missing. Anyway, right, so that leads us to the idea of composite numbers. So numbers in the body of the multiplication table are called composite numbers, right? And then, of course, well, what is a composite number? A number is called a composite number if it is the product of two or more numbers, each of which is greater than 2. Yeah, so for example, 6 is a composite number because it's 2 times 3. So it's a product of two numbers, each of which is greater than 1. All right? And numbers that are not in the body of the multiplication table are called non-composite numbers, or simply prime numbers. Yeah. So, what do you think of this? Yeah, as an idea, something different from what your original definition of a prime number is. Please, if this information is of interest to you, please like the video, and please consider subscribing to the channel. And I'd welcome any comments you would like below that refer to the video you've just seen. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one.